is silly. Let me see. Got the eggs, got the milk, got the oil. Mm-hmm.
That's for oil. I don't need.
All right. Get the powder.
Get the powder.
Mix.
Mix.
And then we have
Some oil.
And milk.
Milk.
A cup of oil and a cup of milk.
Cup of oil. Cup of milk. The eggs.
You gotta try to have them ready, but it's all right. Crack them. 1, 2, and 3. And then you mix it slowly. Yeah. And circle. You make circle. Circle. Yeah, good job.
I like today's National Anthem Day.
Yeah. It's a really nice song. It was written by Francis Scott Key, composed by John Stafford Smith. And it was created by Francis Scott Key on September the 14th of 1814. Inspired by the U.S. flag that contained 15 stars and 15 stripes. Do you know what the 15 states were at that time?
Yes, Mommy.
You do? Which ones? Blue? Well, kind of close. But the 15 states that were around the time that the Star Spangled Banner was created was Delaware, Pennsylvania. Hey! What are you doing? It's not a hat. And then we have New Jersey, Georgia, Connecticut, Massachusetts. Hey! Maryland, South Carolina, New Hampshire, Virginia, New York, North Carolina, Rhode Island, Vermont, and Kentucky. That's 15 states that were around that time. And today we're going to make a cake that looks like the U.S. flag. Did you know that Mommy and Daddy went to Pennsylvania a long time ago, and we went to the house, Betsy Ross, where Betsy Ross hand-stitched the first U.S. flag. You want to go? We can go one day whenever we can road trip it up there. We can fly up there. We can take it to the house, because then you can be in the same room where Betsy Ross hand-stitched the American flag, where they had 13 colonies at that time. Okay, I think this is ready. You start pouring it in here.
Okay.
And then we can put in the oven. But yeah, today is National Anthem Day. And we are going to decorate the cake like the American flag. Okay, so what we're going to do is...
Put in the straw.
Yeah, put in the straw. Take out the snap, make it easier to cut. And then do this. Yeah, because these are going to be the lines for the USA flag, because the national anthem was inspired by the USA flag. At that time, it had 15 stripes and 15 stars.
Right there?
Oh, well, you do it from the bottom, on the bottom. It's okay, Daddy. But yes, so at that time, the flag had 15 stars and 15 stripes because we had 15 states at that time. Now we have 50 states. It's a lot of states. You want to know something else awesome about the Star Spangled Banner?
Mm-hmm.
It is in the key of B flat. And it means that it has, in this key, it has B flat and an E flat. But it's based on B flat, C,
Yeah.
D, E flat, F, G, and A. And then you end on B flat. Let me check on the cake to see if it's ready to put frosting on. It should be good. Alrighty. Oh, we have a lot of strawberry.
Okay, let's do this one.
Okay. Is Anna gonna help?
Yeah. She's
Oh,
going
okay.
to go first, then us, and Cinderella's going to go first next.
Oh, okay. Well, we gotta put the frosting first, but I need to get the spreader first.
Mommy, here's this. I got that one. Is that enough, Mommy?
Yes, that's enough.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, you're doing it. You're doing such an awesome job.
Some more. Okay, this is all done. You can do that side.
Yeah, I'll fix the sides.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it. Can I
Yeah.
put this strawberry?
Well, we gotta do the blue part over here first.
Okay, I put the strawberry. Can I do this strawberry now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
1 second. Let me. Hold on. Ah,
Now I have to put
you
it.
got your shirt dirty.
There we go.
That should be good for right now. And then we gotta make lines. Let's start over here in the top. Like that. Like that. And that's it. Because this part we're gonna do blue. That's it. Okay. These we can snack on. The rest of those we can snack on. But in this part we're gonna do blue, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set up one of the pieces, one of the bags for you so you can put stars on it. Okay? Okay.
Is that just? This is so great. Here's style. Really good. So good.
Okay. Hi, beautiful.
I did the blue.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
And we do it on this part right here. Just right there, okay? Careful, don't get in the strawberries. It's kind of hard. Uh-oh, don't tear the cake. There.
There you go.
You want me to do it? It's kind of hard. Careful, you're tearing the cake. There you go. Let me see. I'll do the edges here. Okay? Yeah, because it's kind of hard here in this little corner here.
There.
And yeah, we We learned some new things today about the National Anthem, how it's celebrated today. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. And then we get some of the
blue?
No, not the blue. We do the white because stars are white. Silly butt. We put it in here.
Oh, wow.
And that should be enough because there's not many stars.
I
And
want to be really fun.
are you eating the frosting over your hand? Alright, you remember how to do this part?
I do it.
Okay. And then we do some stars.
Yay.
Oopsie. There you go.
Any more stars in your sleeves?
There,
Two.
2. Ah, that's gonna start. And 3. 4.
Just one giant star.
5. 6.
6.
7. 8. One baby star. 9. 10. 11. Do one over here. 12. There you
Is that
go.
done?
And we're gonna do 13, okay? 13, 14, and 15.
Good job.
See how many
alligator.
stars we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Did you put these extra ones in here while I was gone?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Alright. But yes. So we have our USA flag done for National Anthem Day. And we did good. Okay, so this is our flag and we did such an awesome job. Right, alligator? Yep. And we did it for the US National Anthem for Star Spangled Banner Day. We learned about the history behind it, and who wrote it, and what key it was, and how many states there were on during that time that it was written. I know we have 10 stripes on this one, but we made it work, right?